Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly method to drive free traffic to your affiliate offers. And this method is available worldwide. You don't need website and you don't need any software. But this method is a bit complicated, so you need to watch entire video very carefully. But before we begin, I created a new Facebook group. I will leave you a link down in the description so you can join that group and learn some new ways of making money online. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. The website that we are going to use today is called Imgur, imgur.com. People come on this website and they share photos, videos and GIFs, and mostly photos and GIFs and mostly entertaining photos and GIFs, and that is why memes perform really well on this website, and I will show you how you can use this website to drive free traffic to your ClickBank affiliate offer. But let me first show you potential of this website. When you come on SimilarWeb and when you scroll here, you will see that last month Imgur got 252 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that about 50% came from highly developed countries like United States, Japan, United Kingdom, Canada, and Germany. And obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to register, and that is actually easy to do. You can register with your Gmail account. After you register, you will need to make a post. To do that, here in upper left corner, click on New Post. And as you can see, you can drop your images here. You can choose images from your computer, or you can simply paste the URL of some image here. They also give you some tools like a meme generator or converting videos into GIFs totally free. So now we need to find photos and videos, and to do that I'm going to use Pexels. Pexels will give you royalty-free photos and videos that you can use any way you want. So let's say I wish to promote products in peace manifestation or soul manifestation niche. So here in search bar I will just type peace and click search. And here you can see all the peace related photos, and you can use any of these photos on any way you want. So let's say I wish to use this photo here. I will just click on it. And when I come here, I can choose the dimension. So I'll just choose large and click on free download. Give it a second, click OK, and I saved this photo on my desktop. I already told you that memes are performing really good on Imgur, and that is exactly what we are going to do. We are going to make a meme, and for that we are going to use a free version of Canva. So I will come here and click on upload, and then click on upload media from my device. Let me find the image. This is the photo. Okay, give it a second to upload. And now we need to add text to this photo. I will click here on text. And now I need to find the right letter style. Let's say this one. And let's just drag it here. Let's enlarge it. Okay, and I actually found this quote here. And I think it's great considering the current situation in the world. In a world where everyone wears a mask, it's a privilege to see a soul. I think this is a good photo and a good quote that can get engagement. So to download this photo, I'll just click here on download. I will stick with PNG. Again, click on download. Give it a second. Click OK. And I saved this photo. So now we need to go back on Imgur and we need to upload this photo. So I will just choose photo on the video. Let me just find it. This is it. Click open. And it's uploading this photo. We need to add title to this photo, so I will just paste here. It's a privilege to see a soul. And we need to add description, and in description I will add call to action, something like this. Get your personal soul reading, click on this link. Now this is really important. On Imgur you cannot add your affiliate link. They do not allow that. It often happens that you cannot even add a link to your own website. But what you can do is you can add a link to the Reddit. So what you need to do next is you need to go on Reddit and you need to click on this pencil here where it says create post. Click here, give it a second to upload, and here you should choose where you wish to make this post. I wish to make this post on my profile, as you can see here, and we need to add title and article here on the Reddit. So now we need to find product to promote, and for that I am going to use ClickBank. But you can use Digistore24, JVisio, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. And because we are talking about peace and soul and manifestation, so I will scroll here and I will click on spirituality, new age, alternative beliefs. And give it a second. Okay, so I will scroll here and I will click must have affiliate tools page. And as you can see, all of these products are really popular. As you can see, 223 gravity, 147 gravity, 166 gravity. So let's just open this one here. I will just click on their affiliate tools page. Give it a second to upload. And this is what we are looking for. As you can see here, reviews. Let me just click here. And they are giving you free reviews of these products that you can publish on your website, your blog, your social media, or wherever you want. And they're also giving us free articles. As you can see here, blog posts. When you click here, and they are giving us blog posts. Here are the different titles that we can use for this article. And when we scroll here, for example, this is the blog post 2. Again, different titles for this post. And when we scroll here, we will see blog post number 3. So I just go back on top on the first blog post. And like I said, you can use this blog, you can use this article to publish it on your blog totally free without any copyright issues. So I will use this title here, Tapping into Taboo. Ancient astrology can reveal so much about you. Okay, so let me just highlight this again. Copy, go back on Reddit and paste it here as a title. And I will go back here and I can literally copy this entire article and I can, as you can see here, and I can copy it, go back on Reddit, paste it here where it says text. So now we need to get our affiliate link. So I will go back on ClickBank and I will click here on promote. And I will need to create a hoop link and I will copy this link. Copy. And I will go back on Reddit and to add your affiliate link, let me just scroll to find this. Okay, this is this. And just click here on this little chain and paste your affiliate link here and click on insert. And you can do exactly the same thing here. Again, little chain, paste your affiliate link here and click on insert. And of course, you will make this article look better because you will add some photos, you will add better formatting. I didn't do that because I just wish to show you how this works. And you can find photos on their affiliate tools page, or you can use photos from pixels that you can use on this article. And after you finish everything, just click here on post. And this is our article, and if I click on this link, it will take me to our ClickBank product. Just give it a second to upload. And as you can see, this is the ClickBank product that we are actually promoting. So what we need to do now is we need to copy this link here and we need to go back on Imgur and we need to paste it here. And we need to add tags here. So I'll just click here on tag and I will just use, let's say, peace and another tag, let's say soul. And that is enough for now. And now we need to publish our post. We will click here to community because we wish our post and post it publicly because we wish everybody to see our photo, our post. Click post and this is our photo. And if you use good tags, your photos will start getting views and you will start getting clicks. So let me just scroll to this description. And when I click on this link here, let me just open a new tab. It will take us to our Reddit article, as you can see here. Let's just give it a second. Okay, it appeared here. As you can see, I already got one upvote on Reddit for this article. And when people read it, they will scroll here, and when they click on this link, it will take them to our ClickBank affiliate offer. And if they buy, we are going to get commission. And you can even use Reddit to promote your Imgur photos. All you have to do is just go back on Imgur, copy this URL here, go back on Reddit, find right subreddits and submit that photo in that subreddit. And in that way, that photo can potentially get thousands and thousands of views. And potentially hundreds of people can click on that link in description of your Imgur photo to come to your Reddit article, and then some of them will click on this link here to get to your ClickBank affiliate offer. And again, if they buy that product, you are going to make percentage. And even though this looks a bit complicated, it's actually not. It is beginner friendly, and this is a great source of free traffic that you can use to promote your ClickBank affiliate offers. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.